Hey folks, BizBit is hiring for 5 different positions through its off-campus drive 2021. You can join our Telegram channel or check our website for more updates on active jobs, internships and scholarships. There are jobs related to various different fields and freshers are also eligible to apply. The base pay for each of the role will depend on the candidate's profile. The first role which they are hiring for is of a content writer, and students with bachelor degree in BA, Communication, English, Education or related fields can apply for this role. In this role, you will be researching and writing content which will be updated on their website. The next role they are hiring for is of a SEO intern. Students with BE, BTech degree in CS, IT or MBA can apply for this role. You need to have an experience with the WordPress theme framework, content optimization, meta tag optimization, image and hyperlink optimization. In this role, you will be providing SEO analysis and recommendation in the coordination with elements and structures of website and web page. Next role is of a market research intern. Students from BE, BTech or MBA can apply for this role. Through this role, you will be working towards writing business research report, performing market estimation and forecast, writing marketing collaterals, and conducting interviews with key industry people. The next role is of a research analyst, and to apply for this role, you need to have a 1 to 2 years of experience in market research in any one major domains. The last role is of a senior sales executive, and to apply for this role, you need to have a 2 to 3 years of experience in international sales in regions like APAC, Europe, USA, and EMEA. You can find the link to the jobs in the description, and to apply for any of these jobs, you need to send your resume to this mail ID mentioned over here. So make sure to check the link and apply.